Hello everyone, this is Kelly here. Today we tested these super produce lines for our customers, and I will introduce this whole line for you. This super produce lines including 5 parts, and this is the first part. It is mixture. Its function is mixture the soap material and pigment and additives. And you can see the details here. After mixing, the materials will left through the second part. And this is the food grade PVC cover belt. And the materials will fall into the second part. This is the second part. It is a cereal roller. And the materials will fall into this part. And it breaks down the large particles into small particles. You can see it will make the materials fine. This is the second cover belt. The materials will left into the third part. The third machine is a vacuum double screw extruder. This one is the third part. It is a vacuum double screw extruder. And you can see it has 2 channels. The first channel is to refine the soap materials. It can make the soap material high qualities. This is the second channel. It will press and grind the soap and make the soap bars. And this part is to connect the vacuum pump. It will under the vacuum situations to make our soap more high quality. This is the vacuum double screw extruder. You can see this is the first channel, and you can see this part will break down the large particles into small particles. It can eliminate the bubbles and make the super materials high quality. And this is the second channel. It will squeeze out the super bar. And in this part, we connect the chiller here. It will lower the temperatures about this part. It will make the soap shapes completely. And this part, we connect the chiller. It will lower the temperatures about this part and makes the soap shapes much completely. And we will ship with different models here. And you can customize your models for different shapes. This is the first part, soap printers. After the soap bar screens out, it will into this machine. This machine can make different shapes. And you can also change the models to making different shapes. And we also connect the freezers with the soap models. It can continuously work long time. And there are 2 finished soaps we test for our customers. And you can see there are different shapes. Customers can custom their shapes and logos on the soap. This is the 5th part. It is soap cutting. And if you want to make the longer soap bars or the screens soap, you can use this machine. It's cutting with a wire cutter. And this is the ruler here. And you can see you can custom the logo and the shapes in this ruler. There are different shapes and logos. And the finish, and you can see there is the long super bar here, and the super bar will cut by their wires. And the finished super like this one. It has logo